friend. This is project from China Primapress company. Now we are in the Egypt Biggest machine tools show, Mactech. Now we are together with our agent Shiqiu. This is the big division. This is our Primapress fabrication cutting machine, full cover extendable table. 3 meters and 1.5 meters wider. And here you can see more machines. Here you can see the pocket bending, drilling machine, CNC press brake with the robot arm, and shaving machine. Shiqiu company was one of the biggest manufacturers for the stainless steel things. We worked with Shiqiu around 6 years ago. They are making stainless steel things. Stainless steel case, kitchen and the cabinet, cookware, things. And Shiqiu now is one of the biggest already in Egypt. Their workers is around 1,500 workers in their factory. This machine you can see is robot, CNC, and with the CNC press brake machines. And this one is CNC transport for big sheets. Also, you can see from here we can see the lead welding, high bending rolling machines. From here you can see more about Shiqiu companies, their things, the kitchen sinks. All these stainless steel workpiece are made by Primapress machines. Very good quality. Very good quality. Here you can see more machines made by Primapress machines. This is this is the Primapress economical type press brake and shell machines. Yes, yeah. And all this, the toilet, something like that. Primapress now is one of the biggest machine manufacturer in China, and we focus on the press brake, the cutting machine, puncture press, rolling machines, and all the related sheet metal machines. Our ambition is to be one of the biggest leading sheet metal machines manufacturer in China. If any inquiry, just ask Primapress. We will give you a good offer. And if any interest, just thanks for your